Ooh. Is this working? I don't know. Hello? Hopefully this is working. I'm filming this on my laptop, so you have a better image, but this is a parcel. Ignore the messy background. There's somebody walking by. I'm literally filming this right outside my window, so I probably look like a madman right now, talking to myself. But, parcel. Okay. I'm gonna leave it like that so you can actually see. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully this is recording. I'm really hoping it is, because if not, I'm very, very sorry, Iona, because I know you really want this. But yes. Okay, we're going to open this, and I'm very sorry, but we're gonna unbox this the way I unbox all of my albums, which is PCs last. I'm sorry, but yeah. If you're here just to see the PCs, you can obviously fast forward to the end. But, okay. Very well protected, I must say. Oh god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. This is what we're dealing with. Put that on the floor. Who needs that? Oh god, I don't know if you can see that, but there is... I can already see something in there. Hold on. I need to get... I have a collection of, like, sleeves. So I'm gonna get this out ready. You can see that on the floor. I feel like such a YouTuber right now. But we're going to unbox this. Very, very well protected, which is good. Oh god, I think I got this off of Coco Dive, I think it is. Ignore the messages. That's probably the group chat asking me where the video is, which I'm doing right now. Again, I'm hoping this is filming. Hopefully it is. If it's not, I don't know, live with it. I'm joking. If it's not, I can, like, show you the things in person if anybody wants to come round. Also, can I just look at that beautiful room? Very messy, but not the point. Sorry. Okay. Jesus, not me struggling with the bubble wrap. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I will get to that in a minute. Let me just, They're so big. Jesus, they're massive. Okay. Somehow I did not expect them to be that big. But, I mean, I don't know if you can, like, can you, like, massive. Oh my god. How the fuck is this even real? Okay, calm. I have... Ooh, I believe these are pre-order benefits, I think. I look like a madman, probably, to my poor roommates, having to hear me speak to myself. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. I believe these are pre-order benefits, I think. Hold on, where's the camera gone? Is that the camera? Can you even see that? Help. I don't even know you can see that, but it's so cute. It's... Jesus. Oh my god. I don't even know you can even see that properly. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna open these so you can actually see them outside of the packaging. Okay. There we go. Can you see that? Can you see that masterpiece? That's Yeonjun. Just put him in a sleeve so he's protected. Hyunin Kai. Ugh. Oh my god. I'm trying not to freak out because I don't want my roommates to think I'm crazy, but... Oh my god. I'm dying. Look at that. Jesus. Okay. Beomgyu. Okay. Please tell me this is filming. Beomgyu. Jesus. Oh my god. And then we have a group one. Come on. We have a group one. If I can get it out. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Get that out of the way. Okay. Just so you are aware, I believe these are pre-order benefits. We've got the group, Beomgyu, Hyunin Kai, and Yeonjun. Okay. Okay. Put that in the bin. Okay. I'm gonna put this up so you can see. Oh, hello. This is... It says it here somewhere. Which one is this version? Is this it on the side? This is Clarity. This, the wrong way around. This, oh no, we have to do it in order. Melancholy. I believe the packaging all looks the same. I think this is a rip-up packaging, which I don't know how I feel about that, but that's Reality. Okay, we're gonna have to do this in order because I always listen in order. So it's like actually spells out TXT. Okay, we're doing this in order. We'll go with either Clarity or Reality. Which one should I do first? Oh, I don't know. We'll go with Reality. Okay. Put that off to the side. Reality. Very, very nervous. Okay. Can you see? Yes, you can. Okay. Now, I really truly hope this is recording, because once we go back, there's no going back. Truly. If I can get this open. I don't like using scissors to do this because I'm scared of like ruining the packaging. So I'm hoping that I can just do this. I can. I think I've done it. Maybe I haven't. I don't like... I think I've done it. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like outside of the plastic packaging. Oh my god. Oh. I don't know how to open this. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. Oof, my god. I can't rip that. I'm not ripping that. Well, I believe what you have to do is you have to like rip this upside, but I can't. It breaks my heart having to do that, so I'm just opening it like this. If I can, hopefully I can do that. I think I can. I can. That's not how you're meant to open it, but I can't, for the life of me, rip it up. I can't do it. Oh, I can see the inclusions. Please be... Okay. Oh, Okay, I'm just trying to get all the inclusions out so I can actually get the photo book out and hopefully have... Okay. Okay. The PCs are facing that way, which is good, which means I don't know what they are yet. I always do the PCs last, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to deal with that. Now, can I get this photo book out? Oh, there's more inclusions. Jesus. Okay, I'm not looking. I'm going to turn the camera. I'm not looking, but that's postcard. Okay, so I just got out these, which I believe are posters, but I turned them around so I don't see what they are just yet. I can't get this photo book out. Help. That's probably because I'm trying to take out... Okay. Am I not doing this correctly? Help. Help. I don't want to... Oh. I think I'm going to have to rip it apart. No. Okay, I think I have to rip it up. Okay, I'm going to put this back in then. I think it's obligatory to rip it apart. Damn. Because I think it's like stuck. Okay, I'm going to rip this done. As slowly as I possibly can. And I've already fucked it up. Great. Okay. God, no. Okay, I'm sorry. There we go. Oh, please, no. Okay. This is going to be a really long video because I take to fucking ever. Oh. Oh, there's a message on the... Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but there looks to be a message, so I'm assuming you kind of have to rip it up to enjoy the full album. Oh, please. I'm trying to do this as carefully as I possibly can. If I can edit this somehow, I don't know if I can or not, but if I can, I'm probably going to speed this part up a bit so you don't have to just watch me struggle. I don't think that's what you want. Is that? Okay. We'll do not. Ugh. No. Oh, okay. I'm getting kind of excited because there's a message on a message, so I'm getting kind of excited now. Oh my god. Again, I really hope I can edit this because this is not what you probably wanted when I said unboxing. Okay, we're nearly there. Hallelujah. We made it. Okay. A message. I don't know if you can read that. That's probably backwards, but it says, tear yourself away from what's holding you back. Sure. And now. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put the scissors far away so I don't accidentally fuck up. And I'm gonna move. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Can you see that? Yes, you can. That's backwards. So that says, despite how cold and damp this place might feel, face reality head on. Which, excuse me, makes sense because this is the reality photo book. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm not entirely sure how this is going to work, but I'm going to try my very, very best. Hello. To show you the photo book. Okay. Because again, I can flick through this later. So I'll prioritize showing you what the photo book is. Very. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay. Ooh. Very. Very. I love. Ooh, that's pretty. These like headshot things. Okay. I like the umbrellas. I like that they brought back the umbrellas. I think it was Thursday's Child. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. I think, as I was saying, I think it was Thursday's Child, one of the concepts they had umbrellas. We're just gonna hold that for a second. Just appreciate. Christ. I'm just gonna hold this. Just appreciate the beauty. Are you ready? Oh, I'm gonna shut up now so you can just. Oof. Oh, help me. Okay. We're fine. Ooh, that's a nice group photo. I like that group photo. Three, four. Wow. This is a pretty big photo book, actually. Like, just generally in size, it's quite tall. Compared to the other ones, I think it might be the tallest one. Or maybe... I'm looking at my shelf right now. But I think it might even be taller than, the Chaos Chapter Fight or Escape. That's another pretty big, tall one. Sorry, I'm rambling because I don't know what I'm supposed to be saying whilst I'm showing you this. So, but yes. Can you even, like, see this correctly? I hope you can. Jesus, it's been like 20 minutes and we're still on the first one. I might have to do this in like 3 parts because I don't know how much. We're still on the photo books. We haven't even touched the posters and all the other. We have quite a lot of inclusions. So this will definitely probably have to be in 3 parts. Or I could just like just stop talking and just That's pretty. I want that as a poster. Shut up. That's the group chat. Most likely. Probably asking where the videos is. They're coming. Hold on. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry, we're not here to fangirl. I'm just here to show you the facts. And the facts are that they are all gorgeous. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to have to probably be put into 3 separate videos for 3 separate ones. But yeah. Unless, again, if I can somehow figure out how to edit this. And I just speed up the, 5 minutes it took me just to open this. And then realise that I have to look it up to actually open this. You can't see this properly. The camera quality is really shit, but, the photos are really, really good quality. Again, if you want to see this in person, I will gladly, very gladly, I don't know, show you it in person if anybody wants to see it in person, the photo book. Ooh. Now you see, that's another one good photo that I want as a poster. I just want all the group photos as a poster. That's just it. I just want my room to be covered even more posters than there already is. Even though I think I have about 30 or so posters. Ooh. That's probably going to be backwards, isn't it? Sorry, soothing, yes. Oh, that's probably going to be backwards, isn't it? If you can switch that round and Google Translate that, which is what I do for all of them, just because I can't speak or read Korean, so Google Translate. Yeonjun. Again, you are able to switch that around in Google Translate it. Or if not, I can take a picture of it and just a normal picture of all of them and post it on the group chat so you can see. And then we have the credits. Very important. You have to credit all the people that worked very hard on the album. Okay. That was the photo book for Reality. There's somebody walking past again and I look like a freak. Okay. Photo book for Reality, done. Okay. We are doing the PCs last because I always do the PCs last. So, I'm gonna move that over. I don't know what's included. Okay, stickers. That will be added to my very big box that I have for the stickers. We have more stickers, I believe. For a second, these look like signatures and I got really excited, but I don't think they are signatures. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I did not mean to turn that around. We have the CD. Please. I accidentally just turned around a, something that I should not have turned around just yet. Okay, well, I guess I'll show you what I just accidentally turned around. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay. We've got some more posters. Oh, no, we've got this. Sorry. Shush. that is, again, the group chat. It's that. And you probably can't read that, but it basically says, it's just like magic, crown, and that all my days and nights. That's probably the lyrics or something, which I can't for the life of me remember what. I'm pretty sure there's the lyrics to some song. I cannot for the life of me remember before. Okay. We'll get on to posters now, because there's quite a lot of posters. Okay, number 1. Huening Kai. That looked like Yeonjun for just a second. Is that? No, that is Huening Kai. That looked like Yeonjun for his blonde hair for a second. Huening Kai. Ooh, that's pretty. Another pretty one. Another pretty one. These are really nice, just feeling wise. Another pretty one. Is that? That's a car, yeah. Okay. And another pretty one. Those will have to find a space on my wall somewhere. Now, posters. I believe both of these are posters. Maybe this is not a poster. It's whatever it's called. Oh, can you see that? You probably can't. Let me go back. There we go. It's what the fuck is it called? Lyrics. Okay. I don't know, but yes, we have all of the lyrics, and obviously this is going to be backwards. So, but they are the lyrics. That's cute. I like that. It's half an hour and we haven't even gotten to the... This will be 3 videos. Oh, okay. Poster. Hey, can you see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Are we ready for the PCs? I'm not. Let me just say that right now. I'm not. I am very much not ready at all. There's somebody walking past again. Hello? Oh, fuck, that's my roommate. Okay. Okay. I'm getting sleeves ready for the PCs because I like to sleeve them pretty quickly. We got 2 PCs. PCs? Photo cards. You know what I mean. Okay, are we ready? I've got them in front of me. Okay, we'll go with this one first. I'm going to show you first. I'm going to do it. I'm going to close my eyes, show you, and then I'm going to see what it is, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's what it is. That's who it is. I'm not ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my... Fuck Jesus. Sorry, that's... PG warning for explicitives. Sorry. Wow. That's definitely being... Wow. That is definitely being added to photo cards that will be getting stolen. Because, Jesus, look at that. Just look at it. That's it. That's the highlight of this video. Okay. Jesus, who is it? Genuinely the actual group chat, or it is? It is the group chat. I'm getting to it. I'm filming it right now as we speak. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. I'm gonna show you first, and then I'm gonna show myself. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's the PC. I don't know if it's even in frame. Hopefully it is. But I'm gonna open my eyes now. And, okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's... Jesus. Jesus. Look at that. Beautiful. Amazing. Oh my god. Let me sleeve these so you're protected. Okay, that's also being added to the... Okay. I need like 5 seconds. Probably an hour or so before I get on to the new one. The other two. Which I still have to unbox. But this is 30 minutes long and we've only done the first one. So this is going to be split into 3 parts. Hopefully this has been recording the entire time. It says, oh, maybe I should actually speak to the camera like a real YouTuber. I'm being watched right now. Somebody's watching me from my window as they smoke. This is weird. Okay, hopefully I'm going to figure out if I can edit this. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. We'll figure out. If I can't, enjoy basically 10 minutes with this entire video of me just opening this thing. Okay, shall we? That was reality. Done. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.